Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. This is for the as fast as possible level. We got three more crowns. First one is in the lower level near the octopus and some rats. The second one is all the way in the corner near the cat. The third one is found in front of a paper tiger. Watch the video for all the locations. And Cousin Kuro is the last one. He is on top of the teapot on the table. Thanks again for joining us. We got more guides on the way. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.
大冒険 around the world いざ